Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. As you can see, on the second position we've got the gestures, so let's tap, and here we've got the system navigation. This is the option, of course, we are looking for, so let's tap on it. And here we've got two different modes, two different ways to use the kind of navigation. We've got the 3-button navigation, which is of course currently applied, and we've got the gestures. Before we will actually set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer: if you'd like to stick with 3 buttons, and then this is the place where you can customize them just by tapping on the settings icon. And as you can see, unfortunately the only option is here is to hold home for assistant. You can turn it on or off. That's the only way you can customize them, unfortunately, but that's okay. And as I said, if you want to set the gestures, just like on this option, just tap on this option, sorry. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the gestures. We've got the animation, which will show us the animation of the gestures, and it will actually teach us how to use them, but of course no worries, I'll show you later on. First of all, let's enter the settings, because here we've got the option I'd like to talk about. Here we've got the back sensitivity. Again, you've got the assistant option, you can turn it on or off, but the back sensitivity, you can make it lower or higher. As you can see here, we've got this blue area, which will be either bigger or smaller. And basically, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a time you will use the gesture. So for example, just use it for like 2 or 3 days, and thanks to this you will be able to decide which option you'd like to use. Basically, if you will set it higher, then your device will have much larger area to catch your back gestures. So as I said, it's up to you, and I highly recommend to simply get back to this option after a while. Alright, so now I can show you how to use the gestures, as I said. So in order to get back to the previous page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the left to the side, to the center of your device. And as you can see, we had this arrow, and after releasing the finger, we can get back to the previous page. The same situation from the right side, it doesn't really matter. If you'd like to get back to the home page, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of fastly. And I forgot to say that, as you can see, we do not have the 3 buttons navigation, we've got only this line, which will be responsible for getting back to the home page and opening the recents. So as I said, to get back to the home page, just swipe it fastly, and if you want to open the recents, you have to do the same motion. So swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger in the center, just like that. And after releasing, here you've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.